Hello, you are welcome to my channel. If you are looking for a tea that you can make to help you lose some belly fat, lose some weight, boost your immune system, aid digestion, and you don't need to take too much of it. This tea is very perfect for you. I take this almost every day, and I can't tell you enough of how good this tea is. So if you're interested, join me. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe so you can get more like this from me. For this tea, we are going to be using the blessings of the nature, and which include ginger, pepper. We can use cayenne pepper. I have cinnamon, negro pepper, star anise, black pepper, garlic, cloves, tamarind, dates, sorghum leaves, precursor, and hibiscus flower. These are great ingredients that we can find in our kitchen, in our stores, and they are very affordable. Yeah, for my sorghum leaf, I usually love to, just fold everything together and tie it with rope. Sorghum leaves is very, very rich. It's very packed. So it's something that we can look up by ourselves. And then likewise, the hibiscus flower as well. These are richly packed, but we don't, use them to their potentials because we don't know, or sometimes we think they are very affordable. They are, we can reach them, we find them everywhere, but they are very, very useful. And this is how I tie it, just to make sure I keep everything intact. And for my precursor, I usually love to cut it into two, or just use a knife to break the edges a little by little. And for my hibiscus flower, I usually like to pick it, because sometimes you find some dirt inside, and you don't want to cook anything that is not good with this tea, because it's going to stay in the pot on the fire, and you don't want to eat anything that might not be ingestible. So hibiscus flower is a power-packed herb that should be taken moderately. When these are taken moderately, they are very, very useful. So all you need is just like a little shot or glass, either in the morning and night. So I'm also going to be adding pineapple skin, which will serve as the flavor, and also add some more antioxidants and vitamin C. So right now I'm going to be washing all the ingredients. I've just rinsed the hibiscus flower, and I'm going to rinse the rest of the ingredients as well. I'm rinsing them like this. I have my kettle. This is what I normally use. I have a big kettle which I use. So I usually love to put the hard ones at the bottom. So every other hard ones, they will go to the bottom of the pot. Sorghum leaf will also go to the bottom of the pot. Okay. Garlic and the ginger. Garlic and ginger I usually slice. I slice my ginger like this for extended release. And if you don't have fresh ginger, if you have the powder one, that's also good. I just crush this. Cut this into two. Okay. For extended release. So, and then I'll just put them inside the pot. Then comes the hibiscus flower. Pour it inside. I'm going to top it up with my pineapple skin. So I'm going to add pineapple skin like this. This one can serve for like 2 weeks depending on how often you drink it, but I advise not to drink it so much, so but this can last for like 2 weeks as long as you continue. Here I'm going to be adding 1 lime. You can either use lime or lemon. Yes, and you can use fresh one or dry one, because sometimes I do dry them. Those people that have a dehydrator, if you dry it, you can use the dehydrated one. All are still very, very good. Yeah, this tea is already looking very, very good. So I'm going to be taking it to stove to cook for like 15 minutes. See how it's boiling? So after 15 minutes, I just let it cool down a little, and then I'll start pouring it inside the small shot glasses. I usually love to do this, and I use sieve to sieve it, and I pour it in those small shot glass. Sometimes I store them in the fridge to keep them fresh, and I can take like 1 or 2 every morning and night. What I usually do is I can transfer them into small cups like this, small bottles, glass shots. I have 2 different types. Do it like this. Yeah, pouring them inside the small shot bottles like it keeps them fresh, so it can be stored in the fridge for even better freshness. Yeah, sometimes I also add like a shot inside my mug and add more water, and that takes me for the whole day. Yes, or I just take 1 shot in the morning or 2 shots. Yeah, this is very good, so refreshing, and it's so rich, and it helps with shedding of belly fat, losing some little weight, with some other little lifestyle changes. And then it also helps with like a fibroid, so especially with the percocet, it's a very, very powerful herb. So this tea also aids in digestion, and then it can add more water to the one left in the kettle, let it stand, and boil it again and get more content from it. So teas like this are very powerful because it contains so many powerful herbs. So it should be taken in moderation. That is when you will see the potency. You don't drink it like water. A glass in the morning and 1 in the evening is very, very good. That's all you need. So So if you find this video helpful, kindly like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel if you have not, so you can get more from me. And thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye bye.